how you can fix Instagram story three dots missing problem. So this is the three dots right here. As you can see, when you try to upload a story and this three dots option is not there. So I'll teach you guys how to fix that. But before that, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's get started. So the first thing you'll want to do is just go to your app store and check if there is an update available, because when this problem occurs, it might be because your Instagram app is out of date. So just go ahead and search for Instagram and open it up. Now there you can see there is an update available, so I'll just hit on update, and after it updates, go back and check if the problem is solved. If it's not solved, what you can do is go to your settings. After you go to your settings, just scroll down, go to general, and under general go to iPhone storage, and under iPhone storage you'll need to search for Instagram. So after you do that, you can just offload the app once. After you offload the app, reinstall it, and after you do so, your problem should get fixed. But even after doing all of this, your problem does not get fixed. You can just completely and install it back again, and that will solve your problem, guys. And that is basically it. That is how you fix this Instagram stories three dot settings missing option. So yeah, that is all for the video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.